Model London launch successfully took place on the 19th of July 2025 at 𝗟𝗁𝗄𝘀, Hyde Park. The purpose of Model London is to create diverse model agency which can provide equal opportunities and resources to both young male and female models. The aim of uprising designers to exhibit their creativity through the fashion and promote diversity in both London and globally. By representing and promoting multicultural England, Model London is going to be unique as it will provide equal opportunities to the youth in need. Everyone has a right to feel beautiful, and diversity is the beauty of civilization. It is also the power of every successful civilization. Model London was a great show as it brought different races under one roof and guests enjoyed listening to diverse music. Exhibitors, store holders, singers, whether it comes to food, drinks, entertainers, models. Interaction between the guests was really beautiful as the guests were sharing their business ideas and also getting to know all the guests in person. 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗀 organized her first fashion show and she is the sole director of Model London. According to her, our youth is our future and they need the right support and resources, especially in fashion world. And fashion industry plays a great contribution towards the economy of every successful country. This event was representing multicultural designers in London, the designers who cannot afford to pay a huge amount of money to exhibit their creativity, but they are the most hardworking and real designers because they are creating their masterpiece by their hand, and that it makes them the most talented and creative designers. This event was sponsored by 𝗟𝗄𝘀 Trust, Hadrian Talk, CEO of Serving Real Estate, 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗲𝘀 Chambers Law Limited, 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗀𝘀𝘁 from Romford, named 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝘁 Accident and Injury Claim Specialist, 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗀𝘀𝗁 Chowdhury, International Women Business Organization CEO, Professor Dr. 𝗟𝗁𝘁𝗲𝘀𝘀𝘁, a medical doctor, cancer researcher, social entrepreneur, writer, historian, motivational public speaker, Madam Shumala Iftikhar, entrepreneur who is successfully running her 9 aesthetic clinic in London, and she's an inspirational lady for the youth. Mia Salim, the chairman of Pakistan Association Reading, and Model London Live would like to say thank you to each of the guests for coming and showing the support to Model London towards 𝗟𝗁𝗃𝗀𝘀, and wishing everybody best and best for future, because Model London aim is to create a healthy and positive agency which can not only provide support to the youth but also provide the multicultural fashion events in London and globally. Thank you.
So first of all, thank you very much for Mr. Zulfikar, Zee89 TV and Hum TV to be here supporting Model London Live. तो आज का जो मकसद था वो यही है कि यंग डिज़ाइनर्स को सपोर्ट करना है मॉडल लंदन में, और यंग हमारे जितने भी मॉडल्स हैं उनको एक सेफ प्लेटफॉर्म मॉडल लंदन लाइव जो है वो प्रोवाइड करेगी, जिसमें हमारा जो क्रिएटिव टैलेंट है उसको सेलिब्रेट किया जाएगा in a way that where all the models and designers feel safe and they can nurture and they can also be confident showing their creativity, getting the funding, getting the resources, and doing all these fashion shows through my agency. This is my aim is, not only this Model London Live is for one country, it's going to be celebrated internationally, and also Pakistan will have more name because a Pakistani girl who will be actually celebrated all the different cultures in the heart of the city, which I did that today. You know, it was an easy task, but I made it by the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So thank you so much. Thank you Zee89 TV and Hum TV to be here supporting me. And you know what? Atiya ना तो मेरी फ्रेंड है बट ऑल्सो ये एक ज्वेलरी डिज़ाइनर है, ये गोल्ड ज्वेलरी जो है वो डिज़ाइन करती हैं. आई वुड लाइक एक्चुअली अतिया टू से few words about her collection, where you can find this collection, and she was exhibiting today her gold collection. She trusted me. It's not easy, none of the gold jewelers come out of their shops and exhibit into the fashion shows or in venues. But thank you Atiya for trusting me and coming today, because she knew a lot of Pakistani community, and she also knew different culture communities are coming under one roof, and she wanted to actually promote her jewelry but also support me. Thank you Atiya. Would you like to say a few words?
I'd love to say a few words. I totally enjoyed Jia's show today, and it was an amazing and wonderful experience. I'm a designer in 22 karat gold jewelry and 18 karat gold jewelry too. Also I do with ready-made designs as well, and if anyone wants to contact me, I can provide my number. At the moment I'm working on my website and
Today was a very nice day, a new experience for everybody, and I wish that we can do something like this again in the future.
And where are you from originally?
From Afghanistan.
We have a highly talented designer. Her bridal collection was amazing, and she's all the way from Afghanistan. And that's what Modern London Live purpose was, getting all the countries together, all the cultures together. And your outfits, I'm wearing her outfit, you can see how elegant it is.
Today I was so impressed by the amazing event, which I didn't know what's happening. Zia made incredible work. I'm so appreciate it, and I'm invited here. Thank you so much for having me here.
My name is 𝗟𝗶𝘃𝗀𝘁. I'm a professional model and actress in here in Bangladesh as well. And obviously Jia is my friend, and I love the show's outfit is really good. All over the show was fantastic and successful. I will say thanks to everyone who is coming to us here, who is joining with us here, and especially the Jia's designer was so good. My designer, obviously, I can see my dress. You can see, look at the outfit. It's really beautiful.
Pakistani tradition is always very fun too, and our pride is always very fun to don, and also like to showcase to a wider audience that's not limited to just Pakistanis. So I think that was a very proud moment as well, and the fact that the outfit is extremely beautiful and the designer is very talented as well, so it's always good to work together with professionals like that.
थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोग सराहते हैं, आप लोग इतनी अपॉर्चुनिटी देते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. हमने पूरी कोशिश की और आप लोगों ने सराहा, इसकी वजह से हम आज यहाँ पर हैं.
आज आपने पाकिस्तान के खूबसूरत रंगों को यहाँ बखेर करके पाकिस्तान की एक कलरफुल डिप्लोमेसी की है.
थैंक यू सो मच.
7 समुंदर पार. क्या कहेंगी?
हम ना सिर्फ यहाँ इंग्लैंड में काम कर रहे हैं, हमारी पूरी कोशिश है कि हम पाकिस्तान में भी इकोनॉमी को बूस्ट करें और खास तौर पे वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए हम लोग काम करें. हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि अपने पाकिस्तानी मलबूसात को जो है वो आगे लेके आएं और अपने कल्चर को खास तौर पे यहाँ पे हम उसको लेके आएं इंग्लैंड में.
थैंक यू. व्हाट्स योर नेम? आपका नाम?
Very good. It's been a very long day, very tired. But it's been a really good day and a really good show.
And what have you done?
I've modelled for 5 designers, I think. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna have big calves after wearing heels today. But yeah.
And yourself?
Hi, I'm Sean.
And what have you done today?
I've modelled for 5 designers as well, all very diverse. It's been really nice to try a bunch of new things on as well.
How do you describe today's experience?
Exhausting, but amazing, fun, and great people. So that's all.
How do
हमने थोड़ी स्केट रमफर्ड से बिलोंग करते हैं. हमारा उधर सारा सेटअप है, किचन है और हॉल भी है, और हमारी कंपनी का नाम है सुभान केटरिंग. और आज हमने ये इधर शो के ऊपर स्टॉल लगाया है. माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छा गया है, बड़ी अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन थी और बहुत मज़ा आया है और बहुत एंजॉय किया है इसमें.
Thank you so much, Rosemary, and I really appreciate all your efforts for tonight, and also you running your own brand and empowering other women. Thank you very much, and it's the first time I have worn Milestone Miss Asia International crown. Since I've returned back, I have not worn the crown. So this is for Milestone. grand international beauty pageant which I'm participating in Dubai in September 2nd. So thank you so much.